Hi, my name is Fernanda Delgado. I am from Argentina, the south of Argentina, Patagonia. I am a football fan. I love football more than any other thing. I love football. I am a fan, an Argentinian supporter. I love football matches, football players, all that has to do with football, with people, with cross-cultural events. And the possibility of being there would be great. I have been studying all my life to be there. My skills in language are really good, and I have studied tourism and hospitality. I wish I could be there to learn from other cultures, to share my own culture with others, and to make customers and passengers be comfortable and being part of this amazing experience that means to be in a global event, supporting your football team, and also learning, having brothership with others. I hope that you can take into account my application, because I believe in my heart that I'm a very good choice for this situation. So take it into account. Don't miss it.